Hi folks, it's Ron. In this video, I will show you how to quickly create a new hook on the end of a metal fish tape. Ideal metal fish tapes have a tensile strength of 1,500 pounds, but occasionally they will break due to use for a variety of reasons. When that happens, you can bend a new hook in just a few minutes that looks like the one the factory made when the tape was new. To do that, you'll need a tank of MAPP gas and a torch, lineman's plier, and some gloves. Step 1. Heat the tape with the torch about 3/4 of an inch from the end of the tape. Make sure to heat the tape until it glows a bright orange color. Then, using the pliers, bend the tape over itself, and using the pliers, flatten the end of the tape to create a nice loop. Step 2. Heat the tape a second time, just past the first loop. Using the pliers, bend a second loop. While the tape is hot, make sure to align it with the rest of the metal tape so it does not get caught up inside of a conduit or fitting. Step 3. Just let the tape cool off naturally. Do not quench it. Your new hook should look like the one the factory made and is usable immediately. Thanks for watching. I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.